Hey everybody, Scott Holmes here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Rare opportunity here to take advantage of special savings on one of our 2018 leftover Bennington tri-toon boats with the popular Swingback model and 150 horsepower engine. This is the 23 SSXB Premium Edition boat, so it has tons of upgrades like full seagrass flooring, Syntex upholstery, 4-speaker stereo system with kicker head unit and Bluetooth. Nice ergonomically laid out console. Throttle binnacle located right alongside the driver's right arm. Garmin Striker 4. Full instrumentation. This boat comes with a 10-foot long bimini top. Full mooring cover. Several different lounging points with radius style seating for ultimate comfort. Very versatile back seating area here. This is the swingback portion I was referring to. Now you've got a nice large pad that can accommodate up to 3 adults to lounge rear facing on the boat while everybody's swimming off the back. Once again, there's that Yamaha 150 horsepower engine we were talking about, the ski tow bar. It's got the nice extended aft deck with curved ladder for easy boarding. Plenty of cup holders for all your refreshments on those hot summer days. Kidney-shaped table that's removable. That captain's chair does recline, swivel, and has flip-up armrests. Once again, we don't get very many of these boats staying long around, so please stop by today to check out our clearance pricing on this model. Brand new on the showroom floor. Once again, Scott Holmes here, MarineMax, Greenville, South Carolina. Thank you.